as the name suggests, it's an year-end mixer.
Yeah.
We are at the end of 2025. What is your reflection of the entire year? How has it been for you?
So as you move on your career, you learn, you need to upskill every time, correct? When you upskill, you will be in market. Otherwise, you will be out of the market. Correct? It
So
is
true,
job
so
market.
true.
Okay.
Of course, of
So
course.
in this year, it was when I was college, I read the managing a boss is a task. Okay. So in this year, I have a very fantastic and very intelligent boss who realized me that you are nothing. So in the starting, I was little bit frustrated that he is behaving like this. But one day he told me that I'm not your friend, I'm your professional mentor. So I will not be easy with you anytime. So from that time I started learning this, that whatever I learned, it is not enough for me. So it was a completely 360 degree, learning for me in term of passion, in term of behavior, in term of everything. So it was a fantastic year for me. I was recognizing my first office day of 2025. It was 4th December, and my boss was so angry because I entered in the office 30-minute late. So the year started with this, and I don't know how it will end. But it is great learning here.
Great. So, as we move in 2026, what are your business goals there?
Okay, so as a startup, okay, so I'm one of the few members who joined this company earlier. So the the time period that company is spanned in the market is around 8 years, and I have experience of 7.5 years.
Okay.
So it is not like a organization for me. It is
Okay.
like anything that we started. And when we started, we were very happy with the 18 lakhs business per month.
Okay.
And right now, we are not happy with the 20 crore business per month. So, for this year, our objective for the organization will be that we will able to listed work toward the that we will list this organization, and everybody is working. Okay, everybody is switching job, but I can say that there is a star on my collars, that we created our organization and we become a part to list them or to any platform. So the task towards to the final destination is that we will try to list our organization in this year. So it is our final task.
Okay. So, if you could just define 2025 in one word, what would it be?
Mm, fabulous.
Fabulous. I hope 2026 is as fabulous for you.
Yes.